students, today we have chapter 10 circles, class 10th mathematics, exercise 10.2, question number 4, 5 and 6. बेटा आज हम एक्सरसाइज 10.2 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 को सॉल्व करेंगे. Now let us solve first question number 4. Prove that tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. So first of all, let us draw a circle with center O and PQ and RS are its two tangents drawn at the end points of the diameter. Now we have to prove these two tangents are parallel to each other. So we have to prove PQ parallel to RS. यहाँ पे हमें एक सर्कल दे रखा है जिसका सेंटर O है और AB डायमीटर सर्कल का. ये जो A और B एंड पॉइंट्स हैं डायमीटर के, इसके ऊपर दो टेंजेंट ड्रॉ किए हुए हैं. एक टेंजेंट PQ है, एक टेंजेंट RS है. यहाँ पे हमें प्रूव करना है कि ये जो टेंजेंट्स हैं PQ और RS ये पैरेलल है. सो प्रूफ, सिंस PQ is a tangent to the circle at A and OA is radius, so we have angle OAP 90 degree. Because the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. PQ टेंजेंट सर्कल के ऊपर A पॉइंट पे है, मीन्स A is point of contact. So we have a right angle at point of contact between tangent and radius. So we have angle OAP as 90 degree and let it be equation number 1. Now similarly, RS is a tangent. RS is a tangent. B is the point of contact and OB is radius. So again angle OBS is a right angle because at point of contact tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So let it be equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2 we have angle OAP is equal to 90 degree and angle OBS is equal to 90 degree. So from 1 and 2 we have angle OAP is equal to angle OBS. Now these two angles form a pair of equal alternate interior angles. Since AB is transversal, so this angle and this angle means angle OAP and angle OBS are alternate interior angles and both are equal. Hence, the lines PQ and RS are parallel. So, students, therefore, the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. So, we have proved question number 4. Now, let us take question number 5. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Now here we have to prove that a perpendicular drawn on the tangent at point of contact passes through the center of the circle. यहाँ पे हमें प्रूव करना है कि अगर हम टेंजेंट्स के ऊपर पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट पे कोई परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो परपेंडिकुलर सर्कल के सेंटर से गुजरता है, पास होता है. सो लेट अस ड्रॉ अ सर्कल विथ सेंटर O एंड लेट PQ बी इट्स टेंजेंट एंड A इज पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट. टू प्रूव द परपेंडिकुलर एट द point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Now proof. First of all, draw a perpendicular MA to the tangent at point A. Now let us take MA perpendicular on tangent PQ at point of contact A. So here we have angle PAM, right angle. Now PQ is tangent to the circle at A, therefore again angle OAP is a right angle, because the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. क्योंकि टेंजेंट जो होता है पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट पे रेडियस के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर होता है, तो ये जो एंगल आ जाएगा ओ ए पी, ये 90 डिग्री आ जाएगा. नो adding both the angles, we have PAM plus OAP is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Means angle PAM and angle OAP forming a linear pair and their sum is 180 degree. So we have points M, A and O are collinear, क्योंकि ये लीनियर पेयर बन रहा है. और we can say this is a straight angle. और स्ट्रेट एंगल एक स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर बनता है. इसका मतलब है कि OAM हमारे पास एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है और OAM जो पॉइंट्स हैं वो कोलिनियर हैं. इट मीन्स वी हैव OM परपेंडिकुलर टू PQ. ये जो OM लाइन है ये परपेंडिकुलर है PQ के ऊपर. इट मीन्स द परपेंडिकुलर एट पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट टू द टेंजेंट टू ए सर्कल पासेस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल. अब क्योंकि ये जो OM है ये O से पास कर रहा है और ये परपेंडिकुलर है टेंजेंट के ऊपर, और क्योंकि O सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल है तो यहाँ पे ये प्रूव हो जाता है कि द परपेंडिकुलर एट द point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center as O is center of circle. So students, we have proved question number 5. Now let us take its question number 6. In question number 6 we have the length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 cm from the center of a circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. Here we have a tangent drawn from an external point A to the circle. P is point of contact, OP is radius, and this point A is at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle. We have to find the radius of the circle. Now here we have OA 5 cm, AP 4 cm, and we have to find the radius OP. Now angle OPA is equal to 90 degree, because again the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Now it means triangle OPA is a right angle triangle. Now in right angle triangle OPA, applying Pythagoras theorem, we have OA square is equal to AP square plus OP square. Now O is 5 cm, so we have 5 square. AP is 4 cm, so we have 4 square plus OP square as such. Now 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16 plus OP square. Now transposing 16 to left hand side, we are left with 9 is equal to OP square, or OP square is equal to 9. So the value of OP is 3 cm. Taking positive value only, because length cannot be negative. OP is a radius and is a length. So we are taking here only positive value. So OP is 3 cm. So students, we have solved 3 very important questions from exercise 10.1. 2. Hope you will understand these questions. Thanks.